Hello, this is Tracy Falby, Realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Michigan Real Estate. Today I'm in Berry County, Michigan at Fine Lake, and I'm going to show you the outside of a house where we're having an open house in a few days. This is at 144 East Hickory Road in Battle Creek, Michigan, and as you can see, there's a boat lift and a covered deck lakeside. At the house, it has a wonderful front deck where you're going to get great views of the lake. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,722 square foot home. The home is listed by Peggy Napier, and the open house is going to be April 13th, 2025, 1 p.m. to 2:30. Here we are at the back of the house. You can see there's a nice deck on the back, and there's a walkway to the backyard. There's also a garage with a driveway connecting to Hickory Road. And as we walk by the garage, we get to the back 2 lots that are included with the property. As you can see, there's some outbuildings for storage, and there is RV and boat storage back there. Hope to see you at the open house this Sunday. Look in the description below to get more information about the property and contact me if you have any questions.